So work energy completely we finished it. So up to power all the concepts. So exercise you have to go through that and you have to read. So now let us come to the MCQs of exemplar sums. So when a body falls freely towards the earth, then its total energy they are asking. So if any object is falling towards to the earth, what is the total energy? Everybody? Total energy is remains at every point. The total energy remains what? Law of conservation of energy remains constant. So at every place, kinetic energy plus potential energy is equals to total energy. This energy is remains going to be constant. Okay. So energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form of energy to another form of energy. So in the case of free fall towards the earth, its total energy remains, what will happen everybody? Remains constant. So nobody can destroy the energy or nobody can create the energy. So it is always remains constant. Next, a car is accelerated on a leveled road and attains a velocity 4 times of its initial velocity. 4 times of its initial velocity. In this process, the potential energy of the car. So it is traveling what? Anybody can tell me? Traveling on a what road? Traveling on a what road? Yes, please. Traveling on a what road? Leveled road. So leveled road means that is what? It is height is not changing. Position is not changing. It is keep on traveling on a leveled road. So potential energy, what will happen? Height does not change. So what happened to the potential energy? Anybody? Yes, please. Other Lakshanya, what senseless answer you'll do also don't know. And anybody answer, please? Not answer, leave from the meeting, no issues. So what is the answer, anybody? Car is traveling on a leveled road and it attains a velocity of 4 times. That's fine. So velocity increases to 4 times. But they are not asking kinetic energy. They are asking potential energy. So potential energy means potential energy only changes by changing its position. Position means above from the ground. So it is moving on a leveled road. Leveled road means what happened to the potential energy? Does not change. Purima, anybody is there in meeting?
Yes, sir.
Understand
Yes, sir.
everybody? Kinetic energy means it is different. Kinetic energy means what is the formula? Half mv square. So half v become 4v. 4v square. So half 4 square means 16v square. So 16 half mv square, which is equals to initial kinetic energy. So 16 times kinetic energy increases. That is kinetic energy. But they are asking here what? Potential energy. So potential energy equals to mgh. It is traveling in a leveled road. So change in height is what? 0. So change in potential energy also what? 0. Does not change. Understand? Yes or no, please. Clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
So what question they are asking, first you read that. Simply don't answer. Next, in case of negative work, the angle between the force and displacement will be negative work done. Even exercise, there is a question. So negative work done means what is the angle between them? Everybody.
180 degrees.
180 degrees. So force one direction, displacement and another direction. So the angle between them is 180 degrees. So both are opposite to each other. Both are opposite to each other, 180 degrees. Write it. Next, an iron sphere of mass 10 kg has the same diameter as an aluminum sphere of mass 3.5 kg. Now both the spheres are dropped simultaneously from a tower. When they are 10 meters above the ground, they have the same what? Everybody. It's a free fall case. Free fall case. Anybody? Free fall case, something is remains constant. Any one of you?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. So irrespective of mass, the same diameter. Diameter is same. Somebody conducted this activity from leaning piece of tower. Anybody remember? Wooden ball and metal ball? Who is that person? Galileo. Remember? He has been dropped a wooden ball and a metal ball of same diameter. Both reach, irrespective of masses, both reach the ground at the same time. Free fall. That is what. So in case of any irrespective of mass, so acceleration due to gravity remains constant. But if you take momentum, momentum depends on two things, mass into velocity. Potential energy depends on what? Mass, mgh, mass and height. Kinetic energy depends on what? Kinetic energy depends on half into mass into v square. So kinetic energy, potential energy, momentum, everywhere mass is also a parameter. So as mass is different, so they will never be same. So independent of mass. Who is independent of mass? Independent of mass, acceleration due to gravity. So independent of mass, G value is always 9.8 meter per second square. So that is why acceleration remains constant, but velocity not everything. So that is why what is the correct answer? Acceleration. Clear everybody? Please respond guys. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question read. All of you read next question. Everybody has to read.
So answer is
A girl is carrying a school bag of 3 kg mass on her back and moves 200 meters on a leveled road. The work done against the gravitational force will be. So she is not doing any work done against to gravity. She is carrying her bag of school bag of 3 kg and walking 200 meters horizontal. So level road. So work done against to gravity means what? If she is climbing the steps, okay, she has done work done against to gravity. But she is traveling in a what road? She is traveling in a what road? Leveled road. If it is traveling in a leveled road, the change in height is what? H is equals to what? 0. So H is equals to 0 means automatically work done against to gravity. What is the work done against to gravity formula? Work done against to gravity is equals to mgh. So H is 0 means work done against to gravity, which is equals to what? 0. Work done against to gravity, mgh. Finish it fast. Understand everyone? Next. Which one of the following is not the unit of energy? Tell me all the units of energy. Joule. Am I right? Yes or no? Unit of energy, joule. But of course, here if you notice it, two are wrong. It's not one, two are wrong. Because Newton meter you are not supposed to write. Newton meter is not the unit of energy. Newton meter is the unit of what? Everybody? Newton meter is the unit of what? work done. So for work done, you can write in place of Newton meter, you can write joule. But in place of energy, you cannot write Newton meter. So even this is not a valid option. But correct answer is kilowatt. So why means joule, and what is the commercial unit of energy? Anybody? Commercial unit. Day before yesterday also I told commercial unit. Commercial unit is kilowatt hour. So this is also correct, and this is also correct, joule. And Newton meter we are not supposed to write for energy, but still we are considering. So what is the correct option? Which is not a unit? Which is not a unit of energy? Kilowatt. So kilowatt is the unit of what? Kilowatt is the unit of kilowatt is the unit of power. That is what. Okay, do it. Understand everybody? Make it quick. Anything doubt, anybody can ask. Clear everybody? Gokul doing a
Yes, sir.
next. The work done on an object does not depends upon the everybody. The work done of the object. What is the work done formula? Work done is equals to Fs cos theta. So that is our actual formula of work done. So check it everybody. Work done is directly proportional to force. Work done is directly proportional to displacement. Work done is directly proportional to theta between the force and displacement. That is what? Angle between the force and displacement. So which is not the which it is does not depend. Anybody?
Initial velocity.
Initial velocity of the object. Very good. Do it. Laksha, call to that Hasini. Princey also somebody call. Do you understand everybody? Clear? All of you? Yes, please. Anything doubt, anybody can ask. Next. Water stored in a dam possesses what energy? Stored water, as I told you. So if you take a
Potential
dam,
energy.
yes. So if you take a dam, so what will happen, everybody? The water stored in the dam will possess what energies? All of you? It will possess the potential energy. So as soon as if you release the gates, so water will forcefully push it out. So by the time the potential energy converting into what energy? Potential energy converting into kinetic energy. Understand? Do it. So if you take the water in a dam, are you doing Nivedan, Pranav? So the water stored in a dam is always possess potential energy. Next, a body is falling from a height h. After it has been fallen to the h by 2, it will possess. It will possess what? Halfway between, I told you. So if I take the total height is h, total height is h means, so halfway between middle, so what will happen, everybody? Kinetic energy is equals to potential energy. Both will be exactly half plus half. So what will happen, all of you? Half potential energy and half kinetic. Understanding? That is what. Clear, everybody? Yes, please. All of you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now onwards, numericals will start. So make it. A rocket is moving up with a velocity v. A rocket is moving with a velocity v. If the velocity of this rocket is suddenly tripled, what will be the ratio of two kinetic energies? So let us take initial kinetic energies EK1 is equals to half mv square, common formula. Clear? Then velocity suddenly increases to what? Everybody, how many times velocity increases? Yes, please. Velocity increases to how many times? 3 times. So V become 3V. So V become 3V means then the final kinetic energy is equals to half into m into V become what, everybody? 3V square. So 3V square means 3 square is 9, 9V square. So 9 will come front, half mv square. So half mv square is equals to something. Anybody? What is that? Half mv square is equals to something. All of you?
EK1.
Yeah. So which is equals to EK1. So which is equals to EK2. Okay. So now they're asking ratio. So EK1 divided by EK2. So what will happen? EK1 is what? Half mv square. EK2 is 9 times of half mv square. So what will happen, everybody? Half and half cancel, m and m will get cancelled, v square and v square get cancelled. So what is the answer? EK1 divided by EK2 is equals to 1 by 9. So what is the answer ratios, everybody? 1 is to 9. Do it. Neatly need to solve. Any doubt anybody can ask? Clear, everybody? Understand? Yes, please. Next. Avinash can run with a speed of 8 meters per second against the frictional force of 10 newtons. And Kapil can move with a speed of 3 meters per second against the frictional force of 25 newtons. Who is more powerful and why? Who is more powerful and why? So based upon the power they are asking. So what is the power formula? Velocity is given. Velocity is given, there is a formula. So power is equals to work done by time. Again and again I am teaching. Work done is equals to force into displacement by time. Now force into displacement by time is equals to velocity. So do you remember? Everybody respond, guys. Yes, please. So now two cases. So P1 is Avinash. So let me take PAV, P Avinash and P Kapil. So Avinash force into velocity. Avinash force is how much, everybody? 10 newtons. And velocity is how much? 8 meter per second. So which is equals to 80 watt. So what is the power of the Avinash, everybody? Power of Avinash is how much? 80 watt. Next, power of Kapil. Power of Kapil is equals to force into velocity. So force is how much? 25 and velocity is what? 3. So which is equals to 75 watt. So who is more powerful? Avinash or Kapil? Everybody? Avinash. That's a good question. So Avinash is more powerful. Make it quick. Anything doubt, anybody can ask. Clear, everybody? Yes, please respond. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Next question is very important question. So that is even you see the figure also, how beautiful figure, like a junction, 6-road junction it is. Will you start? So read the question. What is that saying? Yes, please. So what is the question? All of you? So a boy is moving on a straight road against a frictional force of 5 newtons. After traveling a distance of 1.5 kilometer, he forgot the correct path at a roundabout of radius 100 meters. What is the radius of this round, everybody? What is the radius of the round? 100 meters. Okay. So now the question is that, however, he moves on the circular path for 1.5 cycle. How much? 1.5 cycle. And then he moves forward up to 2 kilometers. Calculate the work done by him. So here many things have to use it. So let us see first. What is the work done formula? Anybody can tell me? What is the work done formula? Work done is equals to what? Force into displacement. Clear? So force is what? 5 newtons. Okay. So that is fine. But displacement only we have to calculate it. So displacement, how to calculate? You see that. First he traveled at a distance of 1.5 kilometers. Okay, good. So 1.5 kilometers means how many kilometers? Everybody? 1,500 meters. Am I right? Yes or no, guys? Please respond. Then a circle of radius 100 meters. A circle of radius 100 meters. So what is the distance in circular? Anybody? Circular track. Circular track distance. Formula, chapter number 1. Worst ones. 2 pi r. So distance in circular track is 2 pi r. He made how many rotations? 1.5. So let us find for 1 round, then half round. So 1.5 round means, so what will happen? Everybody. 2 into pi value, 3.14 into radius is 100. So which will turn up into 2 into 314. 2 into 314 answer. Multiply it and tell me. Yes, please. 2 into 314. 628. This is for 1 round. Plus half round is there. Half round means what? Half round means what? 2 pi r by 2. 2 pi r by 2, 2 means 2 will get cancelled, which is equals to pi r. So again, let it be. Here I'll teach. So what is the total distance? 1.5 round. 1.5 round. Okay, everybody. So 1 round 2 pi r. Half round how much? 2 pi r by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So what is that? 2 into 3.14 into r value 100 plus pi value 3.14 into r value 100. So which is equals to 2 into 314 into, sorry, yeah, plus 314 into 100, 314 dot, okay. So which is equals to 628 plus 314. Add it both and tell me how much it is. Mari, Salina,
942.
engage. 942. I will understand 942 meters.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 942 meters plus 2 kilometers again. What is the 2 kilometers means? How many? 2 kilometers means 2 kilometers means how much? Yes. 942 meters. 2 kilometers means how many meters? 2000 meters.
1000 meters.
Yes, plus you add it everything now. So 2000 plus 1500 plus 942, which is equals to total 4442 meters. Right or wrong? Verify. If you verify it, then I'll proceed. 4,442 meters. Are you clear, everybody? Now you can find the work done. So work done is equals to, what is the formula? Force into displacement. Force is 5 into displacement is 4,442 meters. So multiply it, you will get 22215 Newton meters, which is equals to joules. Prima, all of you, 22210 will come. Sorry, whatever it is. So make it. Lakshya, you're all calculations wrong only, Amma. You are not. Hurry, don't do. Who is asking you to make faster? Am I asking? Correct answer. You see, 4,400, you are getting 4,600. How it is possible? Solve it, everybody. Kavya, understand? Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Niroshi completed. Do everybody seriously? Abhirami, what happened? Make it quick, everyone. So what is happening here? 3 distances. First he is traveling 1 kilometer. Later he is traveling 2 kilometers. And middle he is traveling a circular radius of 100 meters. So circular path means what is the distance formula? Distance equals to 2 pi r. But he made here 1.5 rotation. So that's why we are taking 1.5 rotation means already we know chapter 1 we studied. So we have to use it. 1 rotation plus half rotation. So 1 rotation 2 pi r, half rotation 2 pi r by 2. 2 will get cancelled pi r. So if you solve it, we'll get the answer. Kishore, solve the Kishore. Mari, any doubt, anybody can ask?
No, sir.
Yeah. Pranav, Nivedan. Okay. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Very important question. Good question actually it is. It is integrating. Completed? Yeah. Next, can any object have mechanical energy even if its momentum is 0? Explain, they are asking. Anybody? Yes, please. All of you. They are asking, can any object have mechanical energy even if its momentum is 0? So momentum is 0 means something is 0. Can you tell me what is 0? What is the momentum formula? Momentum is equals to what is the formula? Everybody? Mass into
Mass into
mass into
Into
velocity. So if velocity is 0, if velocity becomes 0, then momentum become what? Momentum
0.
become what? 0. Purima ellame. Ma, this is not a power, momentum. So what is the unit of momentum? Kilogram meter per second. Okay. But if you notice it, we all knows that mechanical energy means what? Mechanical energy means something.
Potential energy plus
Yes.
kinetic energy.
Potential energy plus kinetic energy. So now velocity becomes 0 means only kinetic energy become what?
0.
Only kinetic energy become what? 0. But still what
Zero.
energy is present?
Potential
Mass.
energy.
Potential energy.
So still a certain case, you all remember and tell me. So a certain place, total energy is equals to potential energy. What is that case? Anybody? Yes, please. Where the object is present above from the ground. Do you understand, everybody? Suppose I place a ball in my terrace. Then by that time, total energy is equals to potential energy. Am I right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, Mar.
What if the mass becomes 0, sir?
Mass becomes 0, matter is not existed, Mari. Do you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Matter is not existed if mass becomes 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you all understand? Very, very interesting question. Very important question also. Clear, everybody? Yes? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, next question is also important. Can any object have momentum even if its mechanical energy is 0? So mechanical energy is 0 means what, guys? Mechanical energy 0 means what? Both kinetic energy plus potential energy become what? Both kinetic energy plus potential energy become what? Everybody? Mechanical energy is 0, they are saying. So can any object have momentum even if its mechanical energy 0? No. Why? If mechanical energy 0 means both kinetic energy 0 and potential energy 0. If kinetic energy 0 means then velocity becomes 0. If velocity becomes 0 means then momentum become what? Everybody. Momentum also become? Yes, please. 0. Do you all understand, everybody? Agalya? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if velocity becomes 0, remember, still mechanical energy is existed even though velocity becomes 0. But mechanical energy becomes 0, body does not have momentum. That is what you have to remember. Okay, everybody, clear? Lingesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So do it. Very important question. Very good question also it is. Next. The power of a motor pump is 2 kilowatt. Power of a motor pump is 2 kilowatt. How much water per minute the pump can rise to a height of 10 meters? Given G value is 10 meter per second square. Mr. Mukesh Kalyan, are you doing? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the power formula, everybody? Power formula. Power is equals to what? Work done by time. Correct? Yes, please. Now working against to gravity. Working against to gravity means work done is equals to what? mgh by time. Understand? So that's all it is. Now they are asking how much water per minute it can send. How much water per minute? So per minute means what is the time period? Join in the second meeting, Amma. We'll solve this question. So per minute means how many seconds? Per minute. 160 seconds. And they're asking how much. How much means what? Mass. How much means? What is that? Mass. So power into time is equals to mgh. So now mass is equals to power into time divided by g into h. That is only the